Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Overwatch 2 in PC. So let's get started. First open a browser of your choice. Then enter Battle.net on the search bar. Click on the first link that appears from the result. Now tap on the download battle.net button. I'm fast forwarding this section as it might take some time to install. After Battle.net app is installed, you will be guided to this page. If you already have the Battle.net account, log into it. Click on the checkbox beside Keep Me Logged In button. Also select your region. Now tap on the games from the top left corner of your screen. Then search Overwatch 2 game. Click on the game that appears from the result. Tap on the Play for Free button. If you haven't added a phone number, tap on the Add a Phone Number button. If you already have added the phone number, tap on the I already added phone number button. Then tap on the Start Install button. After the installation is completed, you can start to play the game. And that's how you can download Overwatch 2 in PC.